how to buy JA token or JGRE token. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money with some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the exact content. Keep following the updates about this token. This token is available on CoinGecko, sorry. So to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Now go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as a network. Click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called J. Now after that, click on it. Click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy J token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.